Hey guys, Mike here, the cool guy with cool guy stuff, and we have a new project. We are going to try and build a tiny house on top of a trailer. So, let's get into that. So we got all these pallets, all this stuff free. We just went on to Marketplace and just searched for free wood. Found all this stuff. Oh boy. So we've got lots of pallets now. We're actually still gonna go get a few more of these, but these things are huge. All free wood. Just gotta pick it up. And that's why we have Chainsaw John.
Can I do it anyway, or?
So these massive pallets, you can see these were like 20 feet long. They've cut them up for us, and now they're gonna load them up. So we get all these full lengths for free, all free, just on Marketplace. This building here, they're moving to a new location, so they're junking all this stuff. They're happy to have us take it. We're happy to take it. Okay, so here's the trailer that we've just scooped up. We paid $3,200 for it, Canadian, and this thing is 18 feet long to the bar, to the end, and it's about 7 feet wide. We're hoping to do a bit of an overhang to maybe get it up to 8 feet for our actual build. Got my man Noel over here, tearing apart these pallets. What a trooper. So we scooped up these awesome pallets just the other day. These things are massive. They got these they're like 4x6 posts, and then we got 6x2 and even 8x2 planks going across them. So we're stripping them apart. We're gonna use them to build our trailer, which is hiding behind the Cadillac. There it is. We're gonna use them to build our tiny house on our trailer. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Oh, these things are held together with these massive legs. Look at these leg screws. Holy smokes. Stuff's heavy duty. This is gonna take us forever to get through, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna get through it. Perseverance.
Yes.
All right, so this is taking too long to pry these off, so we're gonna try something really ridiculous. We're putting a 10-inch grinding blade, 10-inch cutoff wheel on a grinder. And yes, that is a grinder that's intended for a 4.5-inch blade. So my buddy Noel here is wearing welding gloves, and he's gonna grab it by the top,
I think I'm gonna pass on this. I feel like this seems a little dangerous.
Oh, we're gonna try it. All right, fine. I'm gonna try it.
No.
We're gonna do this.
No.
Nothing else, people. We're gonna do this for YouTube. Give us a thumbs up.
I
Like,
might lose a
subscribe. We might lose a thumb. This is epic stuff right here. So we're hoping to get this blade shoved under here to cut all the nails because we don't have anything else that's gonna do it. The Sawzall didn't quite do it. It bent the tip trying to get under there.
Gosh, yeah.
Bent the tip. Okay, don't worry about that joke. All right, it bent the blade trying to get in there.
There you go.
Yeah, like that thing's hacked. All right, we're gonna get at it with that. Let's see what happens. Spray that direction. So
Okay.
you got your safety glasses on?
Yep, I got my safety glasses on.
All right, good stuff, buddy. Done and done. Look at that.
And
Our trailer transporting a little car. And Tamara here stripping it to bits.
Hello.
Hello. So we're gonna rip all of these pieces off.
Yeah.
We're gonna see how nasty the underside is because we're pretty sure it's pretty ugly.
Yeah. Just
And,
based on the tire, there's some rust on it
Yeah,
already.
that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're figuring the underside looks a lot like that. So we're gonna strip it to bits and then we're gonna do some rust repair and paint and then rebuild our platform and a house. That's the plan. Hey, bud. This here is Gunner, the neighbor's dog. So what do you make of it?
beauty.
And check out
It's
our rusty
beauty.
bones.
Yep,
Rusty bones.
rusty bones. Yeah, it's a little rusty.
Nothing Rust-Oleum can't fix.
That's right. It's so deceiving too. Like these look so nice and clean.
Yeah.
And yeah, just where water sits against it. Because of course the wood does absorb the water.
Yes.
And it just sits on the body.
So
On the frame.
what are these called?
Shackles.
Yeah, those are leaf springs.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so we got a bunch of them already broken up and we've been ripping them apart with pulling all the nails out. Then we got a bunch of nails out. How you feeling, buddy?
Great. I can go.
Nice. Yeah.